This 2023 Forest River Cedar Creek 385th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Fun Town RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a BAHAMA interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.